How is that?
Plum.
Do you like plums? Plummies? Are plummies good?
Mommy too.
Mommy should have a plummy too? Okay, I'll get a plummy. Are you sure you want me to have one?
Mommy.
What do you need me to do?
Mommy.
I should get a plummy. Okay. Thank you for sharing your plummies with me. How many plummies do you like to eat every day? Hey, Charlie, how many plummies did you have today? 2? How old are you going to be on your birthday? 2. That's great, honey. Wonderful. What, babe? Don't eat the pit, okay? That's a good plummy. I love you. Can you say love you? Love you. Plummy. All right, I love you. Bye-bye.